So, me and my lady got these FPV cars, right? Well, we actually modified to make these FPV cars. These are two super old junky cars that nobody really wanted. So we slapped some FPV cameras on them and started tooling around the neighborhood. We decided to test the range out, so we went down this back street right here. And we zoomed. It was hard to keep Sunshine in focus the whole time, but I did my best. Right about here, she runs out of range, so I smoked her. Psych. I took her back home, and she gave me a little kiss. And then I refueled and hit the streets again. This time, I wanted to test my range, so I just did it. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, too. Sit back and just enjoy the cruise through the neighborhood. I do show the cars off a little bit at the end, so if you stick around and you want to check them out, they're there. Next time, I'm definitely going to put a GoPro on here and smooth out the video, so it's a little cooler than the cockpit view that I have in my goggles right now. Now I'm really happy with the range that I got here. I had to play around with the antenna system a lot, but I'm able to make it down into this dead end, which is kind of like transmitting out of a hole since I'm down below my goggles plane of view, right? You can see me test for the cars right here. Make sure I don't get hit. But yeah, the system turned out really good. I'm super happy with it, and I'm gonna see how far I can push it next time. You can kind of see me off to the left here in just a second, standing on my porch. That's where I've been transmitting from this whole time. Right now I'm just geeking around, trying to roll the track. And here's a look at the cars. This is Sunshine's analog version, and on the right is my HD long-range truck. I'm actually making a better version of it right now. And the most important part is keeping the VTX cool. I'll go over a whole video if you guys want. Just tell me in the comment section if you want to see how I build a long-range FPV car. Thanks for watching. Later.